Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will understand about how to make choice field searchable in ServiceNow. Okay, so this is the incident form, right? So this is category field, right? This is a choice field. Currently here we have few options. Okay, what if we have more than 100, 200 or 300 choices, guys? User has to go through all these choices and he has to select only the appropriate choices. Okay, so it will take some time to the user to select the appropriate choice from all these choice options. Okay, so to avoid all these we are going to enable one search option here so that user can select the what kind of choice he needs. Okay, so let me show you that. It is very simple, guys. Just you have to add one attribute. Okay. So now right click on this category field, click on configure dictionary, click on this advanced view, and in the attributes, comma, is underscore searchable underscore choice equals to true. Okay. Let's save this. Refresh your instant form. Yeah, can you see now one search box has been enabled here? Okay, so user can type whatever the choice he needs here so that he can easily select that choice, okay, from this choice list. Whether it may be 200 or 300, it doesn't matter. If user just type whatever the option he needs, then it will be visible in this choice list, okay. So let's say I want to search for database. See, now the database option has been displayed here. So this is how we can enable the search box. Okay. Not only for this field, you can add the search option based on your requirement. Okay. I hope you like this video and also please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.